What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am sitting in the seat of another brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It's been a while since I've done a Denali. It's been a lot of Denali Ultimates lately, and it's kind of refreshing to see one with a big chrome front end. We were about to cover it up with a ranch hand grill guard. This is going to be a first on the channel on one of these trucks. We're doing a 4-inch BDS kit, which in my opinion is the best. If you're buying a 4-inch kit for a Denali or Denali Ultimate truck, the BDS is just the best. Rough Country has a good kit too, but the 4-inch, I think Rough Country's is a 6-inch only. BDS has a 4 or a 6-inch kit, so the 4 sets you up just right to do a 35-inch tire, and I'm fairly certain we're doing 35s on this truck today. It is the Toyo Open Country AT3 we're doing on here. I may be wrong on the size. I'll have to just check and see, but I was kind of in a rush. This is an afternoon start to this video because we're trying to get started on it early. He dropped the truck off a day early. It's supposed to be for in the morning, but we need to go ahead and get started today, see what we can get knocked out on it, and I'll get out and show you the truck. All right, so this job was sold by Leo, who's another guy that works up here. This is a surprise for me because I haven't seen a lot of these trucks this color. Number one, this blue color is amazing on this Denali, and it goes really well with the chrome grille. That brush guard's gonna look nice on the front. I'm nervous about that. We'll see. I'll let you know what I think at the end. It does have the Duramax in it. Nice wheels on it. It has the black leather interior. You know, I like the black leather a little bit more. It's more simple, more everyday use type stuff. The truck looks really good though. That glare don't. Ready to get it started. I'm about to pull it in right now. So we've got our GMC Sierra Denali 1500 ready to go. And could this be the perfect setup for your daily driver? Maybe, I don't know. This is a 4-inch BDS kit with a 285/55/22. You've seen me do 295/55/22s in the past and do a little trimming. With this one, it's less trimming. It's just minor plastic and it clears. We did that ranch hand front bumper or front grill guard on this truck. Looks really nice on there. I don't do these a lot. I don't see these a lot, but it's definitely different, and lately different's been good. So take a look at the truck. Let me know what you think. We did the Toyo Open Country AT3 tires on this one. It's a perfect setup. Got to get out of the truck right now and show you the truck. Let me know what you think. I'm actually really impressed with the way this truck turned out. I'm not really one to put things on the outside of the truck like a grill guard or a fender flare or side steps or anything like that. Usually I feel like it's too much, but on this truck I don't. It goes well with it. The theme of this truck with the front license plate right there, it kind of goes together. I like it. This is a good everyday truck. You can drive it everywhere. On those late nights, whenever you're on the 2-lane roads out here in Georgia and you know, you're not paying attention, the deer love to run out in front of the truck. So the grill guard should help him with that if that's what he's going for. I've torn like 2 bumpers off of my Tahoe over there with deer. So it is a big deal. I love the way the Toyo AT3 looks on here. I think the smaller that this tire is, the more aggressive it looks to me. That's why I posted a video yesterday with a truck with a 35, and it was a little bit taller tire, but or a 37. I mean, it was a little bit taller of a tire. And I think that's why I kind of like this smaller version better. There's there's more grip on the sidewall here, and then there's less smooth area. On that 37, there was a lot of smooth area, and it just seemed like it was, I don't know, kind of plain. This is the stock wheel with no spacer. We did the 4-inch BDS that has plenty of clearance on that spindle. The BDS has this spacer here, and then they have a magnetic ride control extension piece. Basically, it's the control arm on this one. The truck still thinks that it's sitting stock height, but it is 4 inches higher in the air. I think the truck turned out great. Let me know what you think in the comments about this one. I'm going to throw a quote at the end of this video for you guys to see what it would cost if you want to do yours like this. Also, I wanted to say that I saw his bed cover on this. We sell things like this. I've never really paid much attention to these. Let me know what you're thinking about these. Do you like them? Do you think it's too tall or too much, or have you guys owned these? I could probably start selling more of those if there's a high demand for it. That's why I'm asking. So let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.